In the world of heavy machinery, there is one bulldozer that stands above all others. A machine so powerful, so massive, that it became the standard for mining operations around the globe. This is the story of the Caterpillar D11, a bulldozer designed to move mountains, literally. From the first D11N in the 1980s to the latest generation machines working in giant mines today, the D11 has evolved into one of the most powerful earth-moving machines ever built. But how did this giant come to dominate the industry? Let's explore the evolution of the Caterpillar D11. Chapter 1. The birth of a giant, D11N. The story begins in 1986. Caterpillar introduced the D11N, a bulldozer that would redefine large-scale earth-moving. At the time, the machine replaced the legendary Caterpillar D10, which had already been one of the most powerful bulldozers in the world. But the D11N took things to an entirely new level. Powered by the massive Caterpillar 3508 V8 diesel engine, the D11N produced around 770 horsepower. Its operating weight reached approximately 92 tons, making it one of the largest production bulldozers ever built. The blade alone could move enormous volumes of material in a single push. Mining companies quickly realized that this machine could dramatically improve productivity. Instead of several smaller bulldozers, a single D11 could move the same amount of material faster and more efficiently. When new, the D11N cost around $1.2 million, an enormous price at the time. Today, depending on the condition, used machines can still sell for $150,000 to $400,000. Even decades later, many D11N machines are still working. That says a lot about Caterpillar engineering. Chapter 2. The upgrade. D11R. By the mid-1990s, Caterpillar engineers were ready to improve the giant. In 1996, the Caterpillar D11R entered the market. At first glance, the machine looked similar to the D11N. But internally it featured major upgrades. The engine was upgraded to the Cat 3508B, increasing power to approximately 850 horsepower. The machine also gained stronger components, improved hydraulics, and updated electronics. The operating weight increased to around 104 tons, giving it even more pushing force. For mining companies, the D11R quickly became the preferred choice. It was reliable, powerful, and capable of handling the toughest materials. Coal mines, copper mines, and large earth-moving operations around the world adopted the D11R. When new, this machine cost around $2 million. Today, used D11R bulldozers often sell between $400,000 and $900,000, depending on condition. Many operators consider the D11R one of the best bulldozers Caterpillar ever built. Chapter 3. A modern giant, D11T. In 2008, Caterpillar introduced the next generation, the Caterpillar D11T. This machine represented a major technological step forward. One of the biggest changes was the new Cat C32 engine. Despite producing similar power, around 850 horsepower, it was significantly more efficient and cleaner. The D11T also featured improved cooling systems, stronger frames, and advanced electronic monitoring. Operators noticed another big improvement: the cab. Compared to earlier machines, the D11T offered better visibility, reduced vibration, and more comfort during long shifts. In large mines, operators can spend 12 hours or more inside these machines, so comfort matters. The D11T quickly became one of the most common large bulldozers in modern mining operations. When new, the machine costs between $2.5 and $3 million. Even today, used models often sell for $1 to $2 million. That shows how valuable these machines remain. Chapter 4. The latest generation, D11. Caterpillar didn't stop there. The latest generation of D11 bulldozers includes updated versions often referred to as The D11, these machines include improved fuel efficiency, stronger structures, and even more advanced electronic systems. But the biggest change is technology. Modern D11 bulldozers can now be equipped with automation systems and even remote operation technology. In some mines today, operators control these machines from control rooms kilometers away. This dramatically improves safety and efficiency. A brand new D11 today can cost more than $3 million, and fully equipped mining configurations can exceed $4 million. Transporting the machine is also a massive operation. The bulldozer must be partially disassembled and moved using multiple heavy haul trucks. Just getting a D11 to a mine site can be a major logistical project. Chapter 5. Why the D11 dominates mining? So why has the D11 remained the king of bulldozers for so long? The answer is simple: productivity. The D11 can move enormous volumes of material in a single push. Its massive blade, combined with powerful tracks and high horsepower, allows it to handle materials that would stop smaller machines. That's why these bulldozers are commonly used in fossil coal mines, copper mines, oil sands operations, and large construction projects. In these environments, every minute matters. The faster material moves, the more profitable the operation becomes. And few machines on Earth can match the productivity of the Caterpillar D11. From the D11N of the 1980s to the modern machines working in giant mines today, the Caterpillar D11 has earned its reputation as the king of bulldozers, a machine designed for the toughest jobs on Earth. And after nearly 40 years of evolution, the legend of the D11 continues, because when it comes to moving mountains, very few machines can compete.